In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add paragraph shading in Microsoft Word. Paragraph shading is a simple yet powerful formatting feature that helps highlight important sections of your document, making them easier to read and visually appealing. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the paragraph you want to format. Once you've found it, click anywhere within the paragraph, or click and drag your mouse to select the entire paragraph. Selecting the paragraph ensures that the shading will be applied evenly across the full width of that section. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. In the paragraph group, look for the Shading button. This button is usually represented by a small paint bucket icon. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it to view a range of color options. From the color palette, choose the shade you want to apply. As soon as you click on a color, the selected paragraph will be filled with that shading. This effect spans the entire width of the paragraph, not just the text, which makes it ideal for highlighting notes, headings, or key information. If you want more customization, click on More Colors at the bottom of the drop-down. This allows you to select from a wider range of colors or even define a custom shade that matches your document's design. You can also experiment with different colors to see which one works best for readability and overall presentation. If you decide to remove the shading later, simply select the paragraph again, go back to the Shading button, and choose No Color. This will instantly return the paragraph to its original appearance. Using paragraph shading can help organize your content and draw attention to important sections without changing the text itself. It's especially useful in reports, study notes, or instructional documents where clarity and emphasis are important. And that's it. You now know how to quickly apply and remove paragraph shading in Microsoft Word, helping you create documents that are both functional and visually engaging. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.